Mrs. Block's science. Da, 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 da. So today's task is to draw the dot and cross diagrams for a covalent bondedly molecule of water. So the formula of water is H2O, and this is a student's work that we're looking at to see how they've attempted this question. So they've correctly drawn the outside shell or energy level of oxygen showing 6 electrons, and they've drawn hydrogen because water contains hydrogen and oxygen. And they've missed the fact that there are 2 hydrogens. So they've drawn 1 hydrogen but put 2 electrons in the outside shell or energy level. The 2 atoms are not connected, so they're not bonded, and we haven't got a molecule. This is the next student's work. So we've got some improvement here because we've got 2 hydrogens, each of which has 1 electron in the outer energy level. And we've got an overlapping circle to show that we're bonded in a molecule, but we haven't got the oxygen. So unfortunately, we haven't got H2O, we've just got H2. So we haven't got water. Now this student has correctly identified 2 hydrogens, H2, and each one has got 1 electron in the outer energy level. And they've shown the oxygen with 6 correct electrons in the outer energy level, showing 2 pairs and 2 single electrons. But they haven't connected the atoms, so we've just got 3 separate atoms. We haven't got a molecule of water. Now in this student's work, you can see that they've got 2 hydrogens, they've got an oxygen, so they've got H2O. They've got 1 electron on each energy level of hydrogen, and they've got 6 electrons around the oxygen's energy level, which is correct. And they've got overlapping circles to show they're joined in a molecule. However, in the overlap, they've only got 1 electron on each hydrogen, and they've forgotten that a covalent molecule should have shared pairs of electrons. So this is the perfect answer. This is the bee's knees, and it shows 2 hydrogens, it shows 1 oxygen, so H2O, and it shows overlapping circles, so we've got a molecule, and it shows the correct electrons in oxygen of 2 pairs and 1 in each overlap, and for hydrogen 1 electron in each overlap. And now we have overlaps with pairs of shared electrons, which is what makes a covalent bond. And when we describe this, we've got to say there's electrostatic attraction between the atoms and the nuclei of the atoms and the shared pair of electrons. As I said, this is the perfect answer for water's covalent bonding.